Okay, girls, so today we're going to start our unit on linear graphs. Don't make me laugh. And we're going to start doing a revision of what you learned in the year 8. So first, we're going to recognize which quadrant a point is in. So we have our Cartesian plane, and we have our origin, that is where is 0, 0. And we have our x-coordinate here, which is in red, and our y-coordinate, which is in white. I'm not going to spend too much time doing this. If you have any questions, you let me know. But we just want to do like a quick recap on this. So for the girls that are at home, I am doing this in class with your classmates. So I'm going to be asking them questions about this because we're going to do it all together. You can say hi, girls. Yeah. Hi. They're saying hi. Okay, now. Let's start with this one. So we have our first point that we have to plot. So it says -3 and 7. The -3 is what? Is the x or the y? X. And then the 7 will be the y. Agree? Yes. So if we're thinking about our Cartesian plane here, I just want to move here. Sorry. Do you see my point? Can you see it, girls? Yeah. Okay, so -3, I have to move first -3 in the x-axis, and then I have to move 7 on y. Am I going to go up or down? Up. So it's going to be on this quadrant. Everyone agrees? Question, because we don't have it here. What are the numbers of these quadrants? How do we call this quadrant? 1. And we use like Roman numbers. Agree? And this one, quadrant 2, it goes anti-clockwise, agree? And then down, this one will be 3. And this one, the last one will be quadrant 4, beautiful. Okay, so our first point will be in quadrant what? Beautiful, 2. 2, 8. So we move 2 into the positive x-axis and then 8 up. What quadrant will it be? Which quadrant? 1. Yep, beautiful. Then we have 1, -4. So we go 1 in x and -4. And I'm going upwards or downwards? So what quadrant is it going to be? 4. Beautiful. And then we have 0 and 6. So 0, I remain in the origin, and 6, I have to go up 6 units. What quadrant will be that one? I'll say that there is no quadrant, but it's in the y-axis because it's not in a quadrant. It's on the line. It's on the axis. Will you agree with me? Y-axis. -1, -1. What quadrant, girls? Third. And the last point that we have to do, 2, 0. So 2 to the right, 0 will remain there. What quadrant? X-axis. Beautiful. Okay, and this is our first video.